Have you ever wondered how to make money with Bitcoin? Let's start at the beginning. Bitcoin, a revolutionary digital currency, was created in 2009 by an unknown person using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. Since then, it's grown into a globally recognized phenomenon, stirring up a storm in the financial world. Its decentralized nature, combined with its potential for high returns, has made it a hot topic among investors and tech enthusiasts alike. Now, you might be wondering, how can one earn money with Bitcoin? Well, there are three main ways: mining, trading, and earning through Bitcoin Faucets. Mining involves solving complex mathematical problems to release new Bitcoins. Trading, on the other hand, is all about buying Bitcoins low and selling high. And Bitcoin Faucets? Well, they're websites that reward visitors with small amounts of Bitcoin for completing simple tasks. Now that we've covered what Bitcoin is and why it's an exciting opportunity, let's dive deeper into each of these methods. So, what exactly is Bitcoin mining and how can it make you money? Quite simply, Bitcoin mining is like digging for gold, but in the digital realm. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical puzzles. These puzzles are so difficult that they require a massive amount of computational power to solve. When a miner successfully solves a puzzle, they're rewarded with a block of Bitcoins. Think of it as striking gold after hours of laborious digging. It's a thrilling prospect, right? However, before you rush off to start your mining journey, there are a few things to consider. The process requires a significant investment in powerful hardware. Not to mention, it can use a lot of electricity, which can be costly. So while the potential profits are attractive, the setup costs and energy consumption can be quite high. Bitcoin mining can be profitable, but it's not for everyone due to its high costs. Let's explore a more accessible option next. If mining isn't your thing, Bitcoin trading might be the option for you. Bitcoin trading is essentially the art of buying low and selling high. Think of it as a high-stakes game of prediction. You're trying to guess when the price of Bitcoin will go up or down, and you make your moves accordingly. The key to successful trading lies in thorough market research, endless patience, and stringent risk management. It's about studying market trends, understanding the factors that drive Bitcoin's price, and making informed decisions. It's not something you rush into, it's a game where the patient players often reap the rewards. But remember, while the potential profits can be substantial, trading is not without its risks. Bitcoin's price is highly volatile, which means it can fluctuate wildly in a very short period. Trading Bitcoin can be a profitable venture if done right, but there's another method that's even simpler and accessible to everyone. For those who want to start earning Bitcoin with zero investment, Bitcoin Faucets are the way to go. Bitcoin Faucets are websites or apps that dispense small amounts of Bitcoin for free. Think of them like a dripping tap, but instead of water, it's Bitcoin that's slowly trickling into your wallet. Now, how do these faucets work? It's quite simple. You perform tasks like answering surveys, watching ads, or even playing games. And in return, you receive tiny fractions of Bitcoin. They're user-friendly and offer an accessible entry point into the world of cryptocurrency. However, it's important to keep in mind that while Bitcoin Faucets are an easy way to earn, the payouts are typically small and can take time to accumulate. This method requires patience, but then again, who doesn't like the idea of earning Bitcoin while playing games or watching videos? While Bitcoin Faucets won't make you a millionaire overnight, they're a simple and risk-free way to start earning Bitcoin. So, there you have it. 3 ways to earn money with Bitcoin. First, we delved into Bitcoin mining, a method that, though potentially rewarding, requires a significant investment in hardware and energy. It's not for everyone, but for those with the resources and patience, it can be a profitable endeavor. Next, we explored Bitcoin trading. This method offers flexibility and can yield high returns. However, it's crucial to remember that the market's volatility can be a double-edged sword. It's vital to stay informed and ready to adapt to sudden shifts in the market. Lastly, we touched on Bitcoin Faucets. These are a simple and accessible way to accumulate Bitcoin, especially for beginners. But remember, the earnings are typically small, and it requires time and dedication. Each of these methods has its pros and cons, emphasizing the importance of doing your own research and understanding your risk tolerance before diving in. Remember, the Bitcoin market can be volatile, so it's essential to approach it with caution and knowledge. Good luck on your Bitcoin earning journey,